Number 1 says Antonio is practicing the standing long jump for gym. He jumped 8 times and wrote down the following measurements in inches: 37 and a half, 36 and a half, 37, 36 and a half, 38, 38 and a half, 36 and a half, and 37. Use the data to complete the line plot. Then it wants you to find the difference between Antonio's longest jump and Antonio's shortest jump. So first you have to mark them down. So 37 and a half goes here, 36 and a half, 37, 36 and a half, 38, 38 and a half, 36 and a half, and 37. So again, for each time you have a measurement, you just put an X on the line plot. Then it wants to know the difference between the longest jump and the shortest jump. Since it's the difference, we know we're subtracting. His longest jump is right here at 38 and a half minus his shortest jump, which is 36 and a half. So first we subtract 1/2 minus 1/2, which is 0, and then 38 minus 36, which is 2. So our answer is 2 inches. Number 2 says filling the missing exponent to make the true number sentence. So the first one, we have 7.2 or 72 tenths times 10 to the something. So if we look, our decimal point started here and moved to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. So our missing exponent would be 4. The second one, B, says 15 and 3 tenths times 10 to the second. So 15 and 3 tenths started here. It moved over 2 decimal points, so the exponent would be 2. C says 84 hundredths times 10 to the something equals 8 and 4 tenths. So again, our decimal point started here and moved 1, so it would be 10 to the first power. For number 3, it says 4 2/3 plus 5 3/5. So as you see, we have 3 and 5 as our denominators. Since they are different, we have to find a common denominator. So we list our multiples: 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 5, 10, 15. So 15 is our common denominator. 3 times 5 is 15. 2 times 5 is 10. 5 times 3 is 15. 3 times 3 is 9. So now we have 4 and 10 fifteenths plus 5 and 9 fifteenths. So if we add 10 fifteenths and 9 fifteenths, we get 19 fifteenths. 4 plus 5 is 9. So our first answer is 9 and 9 fifteenths, which we see right here. Since 19 fifteenths is an improper fraction, 15 goes into 19 one time with 4 left over, and we have to add that to 9. So now we have 10 and 4 fifteenths, which is that one right there. So both B and D are correct answers. Number 4 says, in the table below, Clara is recording the total distance she has run at track practice. Plot the data on the grid, connect the points with the line, and answer the question. So on day 1, she runs 3 miles, which is right here. On day 2, she runs 6 miles. On day 3, she runs 9 miles. And on day 4, she runs 12 miles. So then, to connect the points, we want to know when she would run 18 miles. So 18 down, she would run 18 miles on the 6th day.